this video, we are going to learn about the JavaScript object. So let us start creating an example that will demonstrate how we can utilize the JavaScript object after we have already used the variables, and we will also see how we can access the property and the methods. Let us create a simple variable with student name, and we will try to print the value on a particular div. So let us see in the browser. So we can see the variable student's value. So object are nothing but the variable 2, but it may contains lot of value. If we are talking about the student, then it may contain name, date of birth, country, etc., and lot many properties. So let's say we have the object called student, and it contains the properties as follow. Let me try to print the each property value inside the separate div tag. Let's say it's a student name, it's a date of birth, and its country. So you can see each values of the object properties. So this is how we can create the object with multiple properties that contains the values separately for defining the object. And we have to define something like property name, then colon, then value for each property, and we have to access by using the object dot property name. And these are the named values for the object. We can also access in the same way. Either we can use object dot property name or object and inside the bracket property name. Now let us try to create a method just like normal variable we are declaring inside the object. We will declare the function that will be treated as the object's method, and we can access its own properties with the help of this keyword. So basically we are trying to access the object method just like we have accessed objects variable. Let me just call the method student.getDetails, and it will return all the details as follow. So you can define these things just like you do in HTML, but the remaining thing, our main focus is on defining the object property and method. We are just trying to enhance the UI. So that's all. We can create the object in JavaScript with the help of curly braces. Thank you so much.